How to fix Twitter app video not playing. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to never miss an update. So first of all, check your internet connection. Then head to the Play Store. Now tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. Then tap on the search bar. Now type X or Twitter. Then tap on search. Then tap on Twitter and make sure to update to the latest version. Now go back to the home screen. Open up settings on a device. Then scroll down, then tap on apps. Now go to app management. Now find Twitter. Then tap on force stop. Go to storage usage. Then tap on clear data. Now simply tap on delete and restart the application. I hope this should fix your issue. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.